Hey guys, I'm out here outside of the East Erie Commercial Railroad, and they've got the Egypt train on display. So it seems like they're getting these ready to be sent over to Egypt. And they got the old 1949 GE car. And then this Lake Erie, East Erie Commercial Railroad car as well. Unfortunately, I'm behind the gates, but still, 1, 2. I'm going to get a better look at this over here. That's kind of unique. I haven't seen that very often. And then there's GE Transportation over there. Employees coming and going to work. Okay. All right, well, thanks for taking a look. I just wanted to show this off real quick just because it's kind of unique. You don't see this every day. So feel free to leave a comment, press the like button, and hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of things. All right, thank you.